Our organs that remove waste and toxins from the bloodstream are the kidneys. There is no doubt that supporting your kidneys is essential for maintaining your overall health, because pollutants can have an impact on your entire body. Toxins can accumulate and interfere with the function of the kidneys, liver, and surrounding organs if a balanced diet, clean drinking water, and bodily cleansing are not practiced. Even kidney stones and other issues could result from them. The procedure for cleaning the kidneys is a simple process, and the majority of cleanses don't need a vast array of supplies or components to be effective. In reality, the first step to a successful flush is just drinking lots of filtered water. But water merely hydrates, so here are 5 cleansing drinks to save your kidneys. 1. Cranberry juice. For years, cranberry juice has been promoted as a urinary tract supporter. According to research, cranberries can aid in the prevention of urinary tract infections, by reducing the adhesion of bacteria to the bladder and urethra. Cranberries may also be useful for removing extra calcium oxalate, one of the main causes of kidney stones from the body. Always choose organically produced cranberry juice that doesn't contain added sugar or preservatives, or prepare your own with a juicer. 2. Beet juice. Beets and beet juice both include the highly advantageous phytochemical betaine. It improves urine's acidity and has antioxidant properties. This can assist in flushing the kidneys of accumulated calcium phosphate and struvite. Renal calcium elimination improves kidney performance and lessens the risk of kidney stones. 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice, which naturally contains acid, has been demonstrated to raise the citrate levels in urine, which prevents kidney stones from developing. Squeeze 4 to 5 lemons into a quart of cold water and consume for a rapid kidney cleaning. Alternatively, you can make a warming beverage every day by squeezing 1/4 to half a lemon into 8 ounces of hot water. 4. Juice cleanses. Juice cleanses are popular for a good reason. Juice cleanses combine the nutrient-dense properties of fruits and vegetables into one convenient drink. The antioxidants and minerals found in the juice of fruits and vegetables are essential for promoting the elimination of pollutants. The burden on the kidneys, colon, and liver is lessened as a result. The best vegetables for juicing include celery, cucumber, zucchini, lettuce, carrots, kale, and spinach. Try also apples, peeled oranges, pears, pineapple, peaches, and other fruits. What about supplements? There is no denying that some nutrients are good for kidney health, yet many people do not consume enough of them. Supplements for renal cleansing can be useful in this situation. The most effective ones comprise herbs whose medicinal constituents have been isolated and increased. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for our next video.